Hello students, in the previous lesson we had already learned A sharp major scale and different places on the fretboard where we can play its different positions. In today's lesson we will learn its relative minor scale, which is G minor scale. This is the guitar fretboard and we will find out G notes on it that will help us identifying our scale. We already know that there are two ways to represent our scale onto the fretboard. They are first using single string, second using multiple strings. But before that, let's first find out our G minor scale using minor scale formula. And the minor scale formula is WH, WWH, WW. Using this formula and using G as the first note, our G minor scale will be G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F and G. We can clearly say that there are two flat notes, namely B flat and E flat, and hence this scale is also called as two flat minor scale. These are the G notes to our guitar fretboard. Now it's time to witness our single string representation for each string. For 6th string, our G minor scale starts from 3rd fret. For 5th string, scale starts from 10th fret. For 4th string, it starts from 5th fret. For 3rd string, it starts from 3rd fret. For 2nd string, it starts from 8th fret. For 1st string, it starts from 3rd fret again. These all are the single string representation of G minor scale. Moving on to the multiple string representation, we have 4 scale and 4 pattern, in which 2 scale patterns are same. Starting from the 6th string, our scale 1 pattern 1 starts from 6th string. 6th string 3rd fret index finger is G. 6th string 5th fret ring finger is A. 6th string 6th fret pinky finger is B flat. 5th string 3rd fret index finger is C. 5th string 5th fret ring finger is D. 5th string 6th fret pinky finger is E flat. 4th string 3rd fret index finger is F. 4th string 5th fret ring finger is G. Let's hear it. Moving on to our scale 2nd pattern 2nd, starting from the 4th string. 4th string 5th fret index finger is G. 4th string 7th fret ring finger is A. 4th string 8th fret pinky finger is B flat. 3rd string 5th fret index finger is C. 3rd string 7th fret ring finger is D. 3rd string 8th fret pinky finger is E flat. 2nd string 6th fret index finger is F. 2nd string 8th fret ring finger is G. Let's hear it. For our 3rd pattern, starting from the 3rd string open is G. 3rd string 2nd fret middle finger is A. 3rd string 3rd fret ring finger is B flat. 2nd string 1st fret index finger is C. 2nd string 3rd fret ring finger is D. 2nd string 4th fret pinky finger is E flat. 1st string 1st fret index finger is F. 1st string 3rd fret ring finger is G. Let's hear it. Our last scale, last pattern number 4 for our G minor scale starting from the 4th string will be 4th string 5th fret pinky finger is G, 3rd string 2nd fret index finger is A, 3rd string 3rd fret middle finger is B flat, 3rd string 5th fret pinky finger is C, 2nd string 3rd fret index finger is G, 2nd string 4th fret middle finger is E flat, 2nd string 6th fret pinky finger is F, 1st string 3rd fret index finger is G. Let's hear it. This is all for today's lesson. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe and practice more.